Okay, today we will talk about counter programming, that is up count and down count. This is one program what I have done. The logic is already explained in the class. So I am just showing you how you can execute the program, where you have to see the output and how to run the program. As you know, you have to create a project, you have to add the file. So to add the file, you have to go to, first let me remove, I will just show you the procedure. Go to source group, add file, assembler, ASM source file. I have created a program called counter. So add, close. So this is your program which you have already added. You don't need any other extra files for your program. So next, save it, build. So once you have built, you can see there it is 0 errors. If there are any errors, you know how it will display, which error, which line, everything it will tell you. 0 errors. Now go for debug. So click on the debug start and stop session. You will get the evaluation version. Tell OK. So once it is OK, you have to run over here. I will first show the single step. Here I am seeing the output with respect to port A and register A and port 1 also. For the port pins, you have to go over here. In peripherals you have IO port. Since I am using port 1, so I click on port 1. If you are using port 2, you can click on port 2. I have used port 1. I will click on port 1. So this is the initial, by default I have told you even today's class also, by default all the ports are FF, that is 1111. That is why this is 11. It is all ticked. Tick andre 1 now. Is it clear? So now we will start the execution. I will start with single step and you can see the difference in this particular register A and your port pins. Okay, so this is your first data. So this is your first line. So move A comma hash 00. So move A comma hash 00. The first line is executed. Then I call A delay. So I have called a delay. Here I have called a delay of 2. So R1 register is 2. If you can see here, R1 register is initialized to 2. Then R2 is initialized to 1. R3 is initialized to 1 again. Next it will go on till R3 is 0. It will execute the loop. So this continues. You can see R2 became 0. Then R1 will become 1. Next you can notice here it will return to it and R2 will become 2, because this is of this particular program. This is the delay. I am calling delay within delay. So once until R1 becomes 0, then R2 has to become 0, then R3 has to become 0. So this loop will continuously go on till the all contents become 0. So now the control has returned back. The delay program has executed. Now the control has come to add A. So add A comma hash 01 means 1 is getting added to A. A was 0 initially. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Now you can see the difference here. A becomes 1. Next I am moving. I am doing AAA, that is decimal adjust accumulator. It will not make any difference here. Next I am moving that data A to P1. If you can see the difference here, the ports of pin will change. So now the port data is 00001. Okay. Next JNP back. So now it will go to back. It will come here. It will execute this line. So again it will call the delay. It will execute the delay. Is it clear? Next after that again I will have 2. It will increment it to 2. So if you can clearly notice, now this tick will come here, indicating it is 2. So up count. After 2 I will get 3. So if you can clearly just notice only A and this. Notice only those 2 is enough. Pin number A. So now it became 3. Then it becomes 4. Then it will become 5. Then 6, 7. So this will go on up to all bits become, that is maximum. Maximum limit is what? FFFF. So until it reaches FFF, so this will go on continuously. Is it clear?